So, you're looking for a meditation course? You want to learn how to meditate? Or become a better meditator? Learn more about meditation? And so I ask you to just take a breath. Right now, relax. There's no rush. You're here. Because meditation is the opposite of everything else going on in this world. Everything in the human reality is about getting from one place to the next, to accomplish one thing and then the next thing, to get this and get that, accomplish this, do not get that, get away from that. All the noise that's going on in this world is reflected in our minds. And our minds are full of noise. Noisy thoughts, noisy emotions, stress, rush, anger, frustration. But in meditation, there is silence. In meditation, there is contentment, peace, serenity. There is nothing you have to do in order to meditate. You just have to undo all the noise. You don't even have to undo it, you can just let it go. Ignore it. I will teach you that meditation, the meditative state, isn't something you create by focusing on something like a mantra or your breath. So it's not like you focus deeply and then you create a state of tranquility, which is a fleeting state that will come and go. No. What happens is that you're calming the stress in your mind, and then the calm, peaceful ground of your being, which is always here, will let itself know, be known. And so I will make sure that you learn to access this ever-present silence, which is looking out from your eyes. I've been living in more or less continuous meditation for the last 10 years. I will tell you more about this in the first video in the course. And that's when I realized that this isn't something we produce. It's not an artificial, fleeting state. Rather, it's a stateless state where other states appear. Because naturally you are peaceful when you just sink back and relax, and you stop giving energy to all the noise in your mind, whatever it is, then you're naturally silent, complete. And so I have structured this course from beginner through intermediate to expert. So it doesn't matter if you have never meditated before in your entire life. I will give you all the understanding and all the tools you need to start meditating. And you are fully free to just complete the beginner section. That will probably be enough for most people who just want to be a little bit more calm. But you can keep on and take the intermediate section as well, where we will dig deeper and expand the different situations where you will be able to meditate in your life, and expand your understanding of what meditation actually is. And then, if you want to take it all the way and become a quote-unquote expert in meditating, where you will be able to meditate in a variety of situations in your life. No matter if you're in a social situation, if you're driving, if you're walking, any situation, doing housework, you will be able to meditate and remain right here, right now, silent and peaceful. And so you can drop off at any point. Whenever you feel that now I know what I need to know. Now I'm mastering meditation to the degree that is right for me, then you can jump off. So I could have created 3 courses, one for beginners, one for intermediates, and one for experts. But it's better to just create 1 course with all of it accessible right away. And this isn't something you'll just flip through in a week. Like a short programming course, or how to paint trees, or something like this. Depending on how far you are already along the way, this course might last you an entire year or more if you want to actually master every single lesson I give you. But if you do, when you get to the final lesson, you will be at the point where you will be able to meditate 24/7. Of course, this means you will have to put in the work. But I will guide you along the way. I will give you the understanding you need. And if you apply yourself and you really want to both get to know this one, which is sitting here, which is you, and you want to become silent, live a more happy, content life with less frustration, less anger, less rush, less stress, all of that, then that's what you will get. And so, I bid you welcome if you want to join. I'm here if you have questions. And good luck.